I cannot stress this enough. I'm again working on my trunk, minding my own business, and then I get a package that shows up. I got my downpipes from VRSF within 24 hours of buying these. I'm in Canada and these were in Florida. I paid $50 for shipping. This doesn't make sense.
50 Canadian dollars.
Yes, and it's FedEx. And first off, they didn't lose it. Second off, it actually showed up to the right address. And third, it's showed up really quickly. But if I didn't get stickers, I'm sending them back, so. Oh yeah, out, right on the kneecap. Gimme.
Wow, those are nice.
Oh, I was like, yeah, that looks atrocious on camera. That's way too nice. Oh, these are gonna suck to put in. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we're starting bright and early. It's getting very hot and then it's storming, so doesn't leave a whole lot of time to do this. So jumping right into it, today we're working on the Beamer. Oh, I'm excited. So this is my 2007 335 with the N54 twin turbos. And you know what's good for twin turbos? Some beautiful downpipes. Other than that, we got us our gaskets and everything, and like these are like really good price. They look absolutely gorgeous. I couldn't be happier. Only issues, they have no V-band clamps because they're sold out, and no stickers. Absolutely heartbreaking. That's all we have to deal with though. I consider that a win. Be nice when my car makes noise when I start it up instead of just sneezing every time I let off the gas. Gotta make sure we get our good side here. We want the giant scrape right there in the center of the camera. Good. So we're pretty tucked under here. So these are going to be the downpipes currently. These are the massive cats we're getting rid of. I gotta say, this is pretty tight and I'm not looking forward to this. But those are our turbos way up there. So, from my understanding, we're gonna have to zip off this power steering line, unbolt the rack, slide it forward. I'm gonna remove this brace. Everything else is pretty much off already, and then we're gonna undo some bolts there that are gonna break, and then some V-bands up here, and we're gonna hope that these new ones do fit. So this is just a rear wheel drive, so I think honestly that's gonna help us out, save us a lot of time. But other than that, all I hear is how much of a pain in the ass these are to do, so I cannot wait. So let's start stripping all this off and start destroying my poor car. Alright, so I've gone ahead, made a bit of work. I've slid the steering rack forward. That gave me roughly 1 inch of space, and marked one of the O2s. And now I can undo that bolt, and hopefully not get run over by a Genesis. If I die by a Hyundai, I'll be so pissed. It's gonna be mad lame, so let's see what happens, I guess. Ratcheting wrench will probably be pretty neat now. Honestly, guys, I apologize. There's not really a lot I can film. We got this heat shield out, and we got one V-band undone. We're about to start that one. Then we're gonna try and get the O2s. I cracked them loose already. Gonna try to remove those. I might just have to do it when I dangle the pipes. But it's pretty tight in here. Like, reach your little hand in, and then that's pretty much it. Like, it's pretty cozy in there, I'd say. So I mean, we're getting there. Next up, I'm gonna crack these bolts loose after the O2s, and then hopefully get these out of here. So let's see what happens, I guess. Honestly, that wasn't too bad. 13 mils for the V-bands. Took a while. Once we got the O2s out, there's actually all this room in the world. So next up, we're gonna go ahead and undo this support and then snap every single one of these bolts. That's gonna be neat. Also, every single time I record, he comes back. But anyway, one's loose, the other's definitely not, and we're almost there, I think. So I honestly could go ahead and spray this in penetrating fluid, but it's part of the Titanic at this point, and honestly, any structural rigidity is gone. We're just gonna snap them. If these thread off, I'll do something. I don't know what, but these will not thread off. I guarantee it. 12 out of 10, all 4 of these are playing snapsies. So this one should play nice. These 4, just gonna kind of explode in my eyes and blind me for life, I figure. So just to make sure that I'm not wrong here, and these do snap, I'm gonna go ahead and use an impact immediately. It's stripping. Yeah, it broke. Wow. Well, I lost. Pardon? I lost the bet.
Why, that one came off?
Yeah. I'm greatly upset. So after much struggle, we finally got these lovely, oh my god, my pinky's bent. So I walloped my pinky with a hammer and now it's bent. Anyway, we finally got these out, and first time doing downpipes on a Beamer. It's not ideal. So these are pretty lame to do. Should be less lame putting the new ones in. From my understanding, I don't have, oh my god, these are heavy, the hangers for the downpipes. So, you know, that's gonna make this immensely easier, I think. We'll see what happens. But anyway, time for new gaskets, and then we gotta start slamming them in. Get out. Get out. Oh yeah, look at all this precious metal going right into my eye.
Increasing your personal value.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go, little buddy? Oh, you're shy. There you go. Well, honestly, those weren't too bad. I probably didn't even have to wrestle those out. Add that into the pile of garbage and then give these a courtesy wipe, and I guess slam this together somehow. Look at how small it is. Look at you, you're so cute. Such a cutie pie. Alright, well, really not looking forward to putting these in. Guys, we got everything buttoned up. We just have to, oh, let's tighten that up. But other than that, everything's nice and buttoned up. Little peek up there. These things are absolutely beautiful. So let's see if they make a difference then. we're just on our test drive, and honestly, it's pretty crazy. So as far as the downpipes go, there is definitely an improvement with power. I'm still I'm using JB4 and map 1, but it's definitely got picked it up a little bit, and more importantly, it spools a lot quicker, like noticeably crazy amount quicker. Yep. So yeah, no, I mean, other than the more power right off the bat and just quicker spooling, I mean, it's all around more fun. It's not a whole lot louder, and we do have a vibration. That's my little summary. As far as it goes, it's worth it. Took me about just under 3 hours to do. First time doing downpipes, it sucks. It's very tight. I hammered my finger and that ruined my day. But other than that, honestly guys, I do definitely recommend them. If you're looking to get a little more exhaust note out of it, I mean, obviously this is your step one. You got to make more power. And then other than that, it needs a little something more. So yeah, just keep that in mind. I do have the downpipes and then the Golf T mod for my sport exhaust, but it needs a little something else. It's a little too quiet still, but love it. I got me some lunch. I'm gonna go eat, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.